Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TD Bank international transfer for crypto exchanges, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize a TD Bank international transfer for crypto exchanges, start by logging into your TD Bank online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the transfers section located in the main menu. Select international transfers to begin the process. Choose the currency and amount you wish to send. Next, enter the recipient's banking details, including their account number and the bank's routing information. Make sure to double-check the recipient's information for accuracy. In the transfer details, select the purpose of the transaction from the provided options. Review the exchange rate and any applicable transfer fees that may apply. If everything looks correct, click on Continue to proceed with the transfer. You may be asked to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After successfully verifying your identity, you will see a summary of the transaction. Carefully review the summary to ensure all details are correct. If satisfied, confirm the transfer by clicking on Submit. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is processed. Make sure to keep the transaction reference number for your records. Monitor your TD Bank account for the transaction status as it may take a few days to complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.